Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Today, I'm going to show you how to get your Bitcoin Cash address on blockchain.com. It's a simple process, so let's dive right into it. Main content. First, open the blockchain.com app and click on the icon to get started. If you haven't registered yet, you'll see a sign up option. Simply click on that, follow the steps, and verify your email by clicking on the link sent to your inbox. Once you've confirmed your registration, you can log in using your wallet ID and password. Your wallet ID will be in the message that was sent to your email when you signed up. After logging in, you should see your Bitcoin Cash wallet. To get your Bitcoin Cash address, click on the wallet and then tap the down-facing arrow. This will give you the option to request your Bitcoin Cash address. Click on Request, and you will see your wallet address displayed. To copy this address, simply click the small box next to it, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Once you've copied your Bitcoin Cash address, you can send it to anyone who needs it. For example, if you're buying Bitcoin Cash from someone or sending it to a friend, you can paste the address into a message. You can do this through WhatsApp or any messaging app you use. Just go to your chat with the person, press and hold in the chat box, and select Paste. Once it's pasted, click the Send button, and the address will be sent to them. And that's it! You now know how to get your Bitcoin Cash address and send it to others. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.